Now, here comes the role of a smart leader. It can be a manager, it can be a team leader, it can be an HR, it can be the owner of the company, and then everyone is a leader. Now, for underperformers, the role of a leader changes a bit. आप जो डे टू डे काम कर रहे हो वैसे काम से नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि आप वैसे कर रहे थे इसलिए वो अभी तक कन्विंस नहीं हुआ कि मुझे और अच्छी तरह काम करना है. सो आपका रोल भी हल्का सा चेंज करना है. यू हैव टू बिकम अ मोर स्मार्टर लीडर नाउ. सो व्हाट आर द रोल्स नाउ? द होल इंटेंट इज कि कंपनी प्रॉफिटेबल हो, कंपनी में खुशहाली रहे, एवरी एम्प्लॉय इज हैप्पी वर्किंग, सो द अंडर परफॉर्मर्स बिकम हाई परफॉर्मर. दैट्स योर होल लॉजिक. So how to do this? So these are some of the things, and you can agree, disagree, you can also give your pointers. Assessing the long-term work habits of the employee. See, underperformers are naturally people who have worked for a long time. So, जो एक महीने आया, 2 महीने आया, you cannot decide immediately this is an underperformer. He may be not a good performer, but cannot be an underperformer. Underperformer तभी होगा जब उसने कुछ time spend किया है. 1 year, 2 years. You know the person, इसके पास ये capability है, but now he's not able to do this. So assessing the long-term work habits. If for the last 2 years the person is doing the same thing, that means there's a problem. But in the last 3-4 months the person is not working accordingly. So that means कुछ ना कुछ हुआ है last 3 महीने में, that you have to understand. So you have to assess that thing. Next, as a leader, you have to always listen first and talk later. Now why this? You shouldn't form an opinion कि किसी ने आपको कुछ बताया कि मैं उससे यही बात करूंगा. It's always important to listen to the other side and then understand and then give your verdict, और आपको जो decision देना है. Always listen first and then talk later. Share specific problems and examples. So now when you're talking with the underperformers, आप एक vaguely बता दोगे आपने ये किया था, वो नहीं किया था, which is very vague. उसको याद ही नहीं है आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो. So what you should do is एक स्पेसिफिक बताइए कि ऑन 25th of October आप इस क्लाइंट में गए हुए थे, आपने यहाँ पे जाके ये किया, या फिर आप इस एम्प्लॉय से इस तरह बात किया. यू विल हैव टू बी स्पेसिफिक इफ यू वांट एन एक्शन. नहीं तो द थिंग्स व्हिच यू आर ट्राइंग टू से मे बी इज नॉट रीचिंग हिम. उसको पता ही नहीं आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो, किस बारे में बोल रहे हो. सो दैट्स व्हाई स्पेसिफिक, ताकि उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करे, आप दोनों सेम पॉइंट पर डिस्कस कर सको. एंड देन टू शेयर स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम यू हैव टू एक्ट इमीडिएटली. ये नहीं कि आपको 2 महीने बाद एक आप एक्शन लोगे कि आपने 2 महीने पहले ऐसे किया था. सो टू बी स्पेसिफिक यू हैव टू बी ऑन टाइम कि आज हुआ प्रॉब्लम, आज शाम को बात कीजिए या टुमारो मॉर्निंग मीटिंग में बात कर लीजिए. यू विल ऑल्सो रिमेंबर, द पर्सन ऑल्सो विल रिमेंबर द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट व्हाट ही हैज डन. कीप ट्रैक ऑफ प्रोग्रेस. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, आप जब भी मीटिंग करते हो डॉक्यूमेंट कीजिए चीजों को, एक प्रोग्रेस नोट कीजिए, विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो. क्योंकि कभी कभार अंडर परफॉर्मेंस कैन गो टू 6-7 months. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, इज द पर्सन रियली इंप्रूविंग? कुछ परसेंटेज इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है. इफ यू कीप अप प्रोग्रेस देन ओनली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. एंड देन एज अ लीडर यू हैव टू ऑलवेज एनकरेज पीपल. एज आई सेड, डू नॉट स्टार्ट विद अ नेगेटिव माइंडसेट कि you are doing this bad, you are not doing what you are expecting. Start with good compliments and then come to the point slowly where the person doesn't feel threatened. And especially the owners are talking, they might think this might be my last discussion. कि उनको तो मेरा काम पसंद नहीं है, वो शायद मुझे अभी जाने को बोल देंगे, इसलिए बुलाया मुझे आज ऑफिस में. So always encourage, always share the good pointers and then come कि how you can further improve, make a company a success. Muting. Okay. Some more pointers. See, as a smart leader, pointers बहुत सारे हैं. You will have to do this if you want to become a smart leader. Deal with the employee's concern. So once you got to know the problem, maybe problem employee के साइड से ही है. अगर आपके साइड से हो तो easy है करना solve. But the problem is from the employee side. Try to understand this and then come up with a solution. And solution should not be one way कि आपने बता दिया ये आपको करना है, ऐसा नहीं. Discuss with the employee. Come up with a solution which is beneficial for both the employee as well as the company and which is feasible for both of them. ये नहीं कि one sided हो. The solution which you give, which you are giving, is only fulfilling the company's side and not the employee side. So दोनों को mixture करना है. Follow up regularly. Maybe if you are not able to do this, उसके manager से पूछिए. Ask the HR how is the person doing. So follow up regularly. Bring in training and resources. So this is very critical, which is not happening in most of our companies. You sometimes have recognized the problem कि पता है ये problem है, But for solution, you know there has to be a specific training or technical training, which maybe you don't have the time to give, or you don't have the budget to align someone. So ये आपको somehow करना है. Maybe how to do this, you have to decide. So what we do in TNS is we always keep on training people. So जब एक batch निकल गया है, batch here means some senior people. Now this senior people only comes and gives the training. I'm talking of technical training. So इससे क्या है, we are not dependent upon one person. Even if the external trainer is not there or the senior person is not there, some way or the other, we have trained the complete department. And from there, we find someone who can now continue the training. So keep on educating the people, keep on developing the people, ताकि वो आपके जगह पे भी कुछ ना कुछ आपको help कर पाए. Know when to end it. So this is very critical. Sometimes you are stretching it. आपको लग रहा है कि progress हो नहीं रहा है, फिर भी let me try my best. You have to know the time when you have to end it. और vice versa, without giving any effort, 2 दिन में 4 दिन में decide कर ले नहीं ये हो नहीं सकता. So this is also wrong. So both are extremes. Don't take too long or don't take too lesser time. ठीक है? Just know the exact time, or you have to understand when the time is correct. And as a leader, always the role is for motivation. This is not for underperformers. This last 2 points I have written just one word. Motivation and encouragement is for your complete team. If they are doing a good job, uske liye bhi, even if they're not doing a good job, you have to encourage and motivate them in a separate way.